Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on simulating solid body contact within a gear assembly in Solidworks. Today, we'll explore how to prevent parts from penetrating each other during motion, ensuring a realistic interaction between gears in a gearbox. Let's begin by opening our gear assembly, which has been specially prepared for this practice session. This assembly will help us understand the dynamics of gear interaction within a gearbox. Once your assembly is loaded, navigate to the top of the screen and tap on the New Motion Study icon. This will create a new tab for our motion study. In the Motion Study tab, you'll find a drop-down list of study types. For our purposes, choose Basic Motion. This selection is crucial for simulating the physical interactions between our gears. Next, click on the contact icon in the Motion Study toolbar. This step allows us to define the interaction between the gears. Select the two gears that will come into contact and ensure they're highlighted. After selecting the gears, apply the contact by clicking on the green checkmark icon. This action ensures that our gears will interact without penetrating each other, mimicking real-world physics. To animate our assembly, we'll add a motor element to one of the gear shafts. Set the motor speed to 10 RPM to produce rotational motion. This simulates the driving force in our gearbox. With everything set up, it's time to bring our assembly to life. Click on the Calculate icon to initiate the simulation. Watch as the gears rotate and interact, just as they would in a real gearbox, thanks to our defined contact settings. Congratulations! You've successfully simulated solid body contact within a gear assembly in Solidworks. This technique ensures realistic motion studies, essential for designing effective mechanical components. Continue to experiment with different settings and assemblies to master motion analysis in Solidworks.